Do you want to improve your manufacturing efficiency? CIM 50 and CIM 200 help SME manufacturers streamline their operations, purchase efficiently, and improve cash flow whilst controlling their processes from beginning to end. When a customer places an order, our solutions simplify the order entry process, cutting down on admin and data entry time. Once an order is placed, our software automates manual tasks to make production planning and manufacturing processes efficient and easy. Orders are processed through the planning module, which determines what components or raw material items need to be purchased, and when orders need to be raised to ensure the goods are received in time for production start dates. Our software recommends items to manufacture, ensuring customers' demands are met. The system produces a list of recommendations, placing orders with suppliers and generating work orders ready for production planning. Our graphical scheduler simplifies production scheduling with an easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface that quickly shows resource bottlenecks and production conflicts, enabling the optimization of production planning to suit available capacity. Our solutions not only consolidate back-office processes, but shop floor production too. When purchase orders are received, they can be recorded via our shop floor data capture module using a barcode scanner for ease and improved accuracy. Further efficiency savings can be achieved throughout production and assembly processes, designed to ensure accurate costs for all items manufactured, whilst giving clear visibility of work in progress. With built-in functionality to manage subcontract processes from ordering through to scheduling, dispatch and receipt, everything is taken care of. Quality control is crucial for manufacturers. Both CIM 50 and CIM 200 offer quality inspection processes where needed. Capture stock traceability information and book stock into quarantine for inspection where required to ensure quality. Once your manufactured items are ready to be dispatched, our software will produce all dispatch documentation to simplify the shipping process. Then, using a barcode scanner, dispatch goods from the warehouse to the customer, ensuring they receive the correct items. The system generates invoices for multiple delivery notes ready to be sent to the customer, with automatic posting to sales and nominal ledgers in Sage. CIM 50 and CIM 200 fully integrate with Sage 50 and Sage 200 respectively, along with a number of other software packages to enhance your end-to-end manufacturing processes. Our manufacturing software solutions are used by hundreds of SME manufacturers in a wide range of industries throughout the UK and Ireland. Visit our website for more information on our solutions, how to contact us, or how to find your local CIM software business partner.